So can you please explain about your product?
Yeah, sure. See, these products we're from a company called EcoSol Technologies. All these products come from US. Right now, marketing them in India. So we have products dedicated to agriculture. This is a unit which is called Water Enhancement Unit. What primarily does is it energizes the water that flows through it. Water has got a very high surface tension. So once water passes to this unit, the molecular structure of water is altered. It forms some clusters, hexagonal clusters. So with the reduction of surface tension, it essentially leads to easy absorption by both the plants and the soil. So net effect is that you can reduce about 15 to 20% water while growing your crop. Next is, because of this principle, all the agriculture pesticides and fertilizers are used, you can also reduce them by 50 to 20%. Other benefits you get is that the plants will have got great vitality, and then the crop yield is also excellent, and also reduces the TDS. All salts get dissipated. What happens is after or even farmers know that there's a lot of salt rings are formed after farming. So if you use this unit, then the salt rings also disappear over a period of time. So we have different sizes of units of this, starting from 1:12. Now, if you come across, please come here. If you see in this unit, many people use drips and they face this problem across the world where all the pipes get clogged, the sprinklers get clogged. This is a major issue. So here is an example where after using our unit, within 1 week, the units get clean. So now there's no need for replacement of the drip irrigation system. Most of the time pipes are replaced. This is avoided. Okay. Then a practical experience we have seen is that we are doing a test study in Indian Rice Research Institute. Even after 4 months, we have seen no algae formation in the water. Which shows the power of the device. Okay. Next, we'd like to speak to you on another product called EA300. We'll be launching this product. We'll be selling it to the customers from March 1st week. Okay. This is like a plant tonic. Okay. I'll give you a small example. If you really look at the slide, you see normally when you grow plants grow this way. But if you use our product EcoAgra, you can see the plants, the size of the leaves, and they're very green. This essentially happens because the strength of the root system. So this is helpful for plants indoor, outdoor, and it's used across the world. You can see indoor plants, you can see sugarcane, wheat, fruits, vegetables, rice. In fact, we're testing it also in Indian Rice Research Center. Then we have a third product which is in India. This removes all bacteria. Okay, and also it's been tested for the coronavirus. That is also proven that it eliminates corona. Okay. And the best example of this is if I use this product, if we wash apples, the wax on the apples get stripped away. So that itself shows the power of the product. And just to add, to go back to this is a very concentrate. We have to use 1:300. That means you have to use 3 ml in 1 liter of water. And it's a very inexpensive thing. And I think we'll be charging about 150 ml will cost about 850 rupees. Now with 150 ml, you can use up to 45 liters of solution.
Can we use this for terrace garden?
Yes, it's meant for terrace garden.
We have to spray or we have to?
It's a spray. It's a foliar spray. You spray on the leaves and then the base of the plant. That's it. Okay.
ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ని బ్లూమ్స్ ఇంజనీర్ వాళ్ళు మార్కెటింగ్ చేస్తున్నారండి. మన సికింద్రాబాద్లో ఉంది వీళ్ళ ఆఫీసు. వాళ్ళ యొక్క విజిటింగ్ కార్డ్ని నేను డిస్ప్లే చేస్తున్నాను. మీకు అవసరం అనుకుంటే ఈ పైన నెంబర్స్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతే వాళ్ళు మీకు ఇన్ డీటెయిల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. మీకు కావాల్సిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈ వీడియోలో ఉందనిపిస్తే లైక్ చేయండి, మన ప్రకృతి ప్రేమికులందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. క్రింద ఉన్న గంటని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. నేను చేయబోయే మరిన్ని వీడియోస్కి సంబంధించిన నోటిఫికేషన్స్ని పొందండి.